So your gym's closed, and now you're at home trying to do a home workout, trying to maintain your upper body strength. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that with these chest exercises using a resistance band. Hey, it's Coach Joe from Stay Fit Anywhere. And I understand it's frustrating sometimes when you're used to going to the gym using gym machines, different various weights and pieces of equipment. But now you're at home trying to make home workouts work for you. Well, it's easier than you may think. Today, I'm going to show you how to do these chest exercises that you normally probably would do at a gym, but using a resistance band in your own home. You can do it indoors or out. And with these exercises, you want to mimic the same type of movements that you'd be doing at the gym on these machines. But now you're going to be doing it at home with a resistance band. The key is to slow it down and actually do the exercises with purpose. You want to follow through each single rep with your range of motion, contracting the proper muscles. That's how you're going to get your gains. That's how you're going to maintain what you already have. So make sure when you're actually doing them, slow it down and contract your muscles. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, click on that bell notification, because I'll be uploading weekly different home workout routines for all you busy parents. And this is one thing you want to make sure that you're keeping on top of while you're isolated at home. So let's get to these resistance band chest workouts and watch to the end. It might be a little bit of an extra bonus for you. So this exercise is your typical chest press exercise. And if you're doing this at the gym, you would normally see a vertical chest press machine that you would just be pushing forward and back. Here, I'm using a band. It could be wrapped around a banister, a table leg, anything that's sturdy. This particular band, it was short enough that I could wrap around my back and give enough tension so it made the workout effective. So with this one, just making sure you're breathing out as you're pressing forward and inhaling as you're releasing back. You want to make sure that you're not shrugging your shoulders, and you want to keep your abdominals fairly tight. This is a single arm chest press exercise. So typically I would recommend doing 10 to 12 repetitions on one arm continuously and then doing the other side. With the one arm pressing, the other arm is stationary in a 90-degree angle. So you're always keeping tension along the entire band. And if you're liking this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. So this exercise is the chest fly or the pec fly. You might have seen these machines in your local gym, and they tend to sit you in a position where they're pulling on your insertion point of your shoulder, and that tends to sometimes cause discomfort for a lot of people. By using a band, you have a bit more control over that and lower the risk of your injury. So as you're doing this pec fly or chest fly, you want to be able to keep your arms fairly straight and squeeze your pecs in the middle when your hands are coming together. Exhale at the same time. You want to keep your core tight, keep your shoulders low, and your traps low. You don't want to be shrugging at all when you're doing this movement. So this exercise is a chest press hold. It's an isometric exercise where you want to have your band tied around some sort of stationary structure, and you want to have your hands or your arms in a chest press position, but you're going to keep tension on the band at all times, and all you're going to be doing is walking back and forth, so putting pressure right on your pecs. Awesome, you made it this far watching this video with the resistance bands for these chest exercises. Here, I'm going to give you a bonus one. So this exercise, I'm calling it the single arm chest press windmill. So with this particular movement, you want to keep your arms fairly straight but away from your body so you can feel tension within the band. And as you're performing this movement, you want to start from the bottom, go all the way up to the top, and back down again. You should be able to feel this not only in your pec, but your biceps and your anterior delt, so the front of your shoulders. It's a great movement to hit the bottom of your pec major all the way to the top of your pec minor. So as you can see from the other side, when you're going up and down, there's always tension within the band. It's a little further away forward from your body, and there's never any slack. So as you're going back and forth, you want to be breathing in and out, and it's always constant contraction within your pectoral. So it's a fantastic exercise to really help condition and build up strength within your upper body and your chest. In this particular exercise, you're not going to find a machine that mimics this at your gym. And there you have it, 5 resistance band upper body chest exercises you can do instantly in your own home. You didn't need a lot of space, just needed a small little area, wrap it around a banister, a table leg. I did it around my back. Right, so you don't need a lot of equipment to have a wicked upper body resistance band chest workout. If you're still missing the gym, don't worry, they're gonna open back up. But what this allows you to do with just using a resistance band is hitting the muscles in a totally different way. So it's a good thing that this is maybe a change up for your own routine. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you're looking for other upper body resistance band exercise, take a look here.